Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about the types of diabetes. So stay tuned and leave a like and subscribe. There are 4 types of diabetes. Type 1, Type 2, pre-diabetes and gestational diabetes. I know most of you are more familiar with Type 1 and Type 2. When food is broken into glucose, it enters the bloodstream. At this stage the pancreas usually produces insulin to allow glucose delivery to our cells. Now, with Type 1 diabetes, there's no insulin to allow this to happen, because the body prevents the cells in the pancreas from producing insulin, causing more and more glucose to be stored in the bloodstream. When this happens, the body tries its best to get rid of the glucose by use of our kidneys. And this is why you urinate very often and later drink a lot of water, as mentioned in the previous video. Since glucose cannot enter our cells, fats now play a part, and break it down to provide us with energy. And this is what causes other symptoms to arise like losing weight suddenly without even trying. Persons diagnosed with Type 1 diabetes gets constant supply of insulin in their body by injection or by pump. They are considered as being insulin dependent. When you get insulin you will start to feel better, and your blood glucose level decreases. However, you will have to monitor your glucose very often to ensure that it's normal. Because if you don't, that may lead to problems with your kidneys, heart, eyes, and even your nerves. If you were diagnosed with Type 1 diabetes, I would recommend that you get a glucose device so you can monitor your levels daily. Unlike Type 1 diabetes, persons diagnosed with Type 2 diabetes do produce insulin. However, the insulin that the pancreas makes can't work properly to allow the glucose in the bloodstream into the cells. Now, because these insulin cannot work effectively, the pancreas makes more and more insulin to carry out its function. This continuous performance later overwhelms the pancreas, and so less insulin is being produced. So glucose accumulates in the bloodstream. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type as 90% of people are diagnosed with it. This type of diabetes can be inherited, and is linked to family history and genetics. But environmental factors like obesity and lifestyle habits do play a part. Not everyone with family history of Type 2 gets it, but chances are 8 out of 10 times it happens. So how do you know if your glucose level is normal or high? Here are some readings. If you are not diagnosed, your normal sugar level is 90 to 110 mg per deciliter, 2 hours after eating. While the normal level for a diabetic is 160 to 240 mg per deciliter, 2 hours after eating. And if you see a reading of 250 mg per deciliter or higher after eating, your sugar level is really high. We have come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.